What's up, y'all? It's Carnival, and I'm back with another one. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update about what's going on at the shop. Just chilling today. It's a Thursday. It's kind of slow, but now y'all get a closer look at the BMW. Let's check it out. That is a 347 STROkER 4-motor, and it's here BMW. It's a 328i 2-door stick thing, and yes, y'all see that it will be carbureted. It is a Ford motor that is wide. The distributor is in the front. For any of y'all who don't know, Ford old school motors distributors go in the front, not in the back like Chevys. So y'all see this. It's gonna be a little drift car or something that the customer's gonna be doing with it. And the headers, y'all see the headers is already on, mocked up. Y'all see it's on different. Yes, because it's different. You gotta get all custom made exhaust. So the headers gonna go towards the front since we couldn't get them to clear in the back. But hopefully y'all see this running soon. Check y'all out later. So y'all, this car guru back with another one. We at the shop. Show y'all the motor real quick. It's out the car. Oh, he's running again. Boosted is running again.
Hold on, guys. What's good to this car guru?
Now here you go with this stuff. That is boosted SRT. Boosted SRT. Boosted. So y'all see. Y'all see it's out. We got two transmission options. The first one is not working, and it's gonna be a manual transmission. So y'all see that this one is not fitting, the wrong one. So we're gonna have to get a new bell housing or another transmission and try to use this one. And that's going in there. Everything's already been mocked up for all the people who wanna ask and know. Got a custom K member so that the Ford motor can fit inside. And then the firewall and stuff was notched up a little bit so the motor could fit.
And don't get it fucked up, y'all. This is a 347 STROkER build. Fully built for this fucking BMW. So it will slide. Damn it, like a drift car or some shit. It's gonna be a monster. For sure. Stay tuned. Got
So outside we got a